Ain't no way.
Hello everyone, Little Nightmare Gaming here, and welcome to another episode of My Little Blacksmith. Now let's begin. Once again, normal. Oh, and we're out. Okay, eyes. And we're back at. I'm apparently extremely slow. This is why we have the sprint button. Oh, okay. So we should open our shop, or I should open my. Yeah, we. That's how it works. What? Can't seem to open the door. Houston? I can't seem to. Wow, this probably sucks. Oh, give me a second. There's an incoming call. Yes. Thanks. Can you talk to me like after you finish the video and like comment stuff because I'm currently recording. Sorry for the mild inconvenience. If you heard me, I was kind of on the phone real quick. Don't worry about that. Oof. It was once again. Oh no, not to. Ugh. Oof. That. Craptastic audio. Haha. Anyway, so this should fix it like a little bit more. Woo. And I can't seem to open my door. Maybe I could go to bed. I can't seem to. Oh shh. Okay, I'm just like, why is the book on there? Oh, oh, there's something in it and I can't. F you. Oh, uh, 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 uh. I tried. Okay, am I missing anything? I have everything installed. I can't seem to open this. Maybe I could open it from the outside. Oh, how can you do this to me? Oh. I need to open the door. Finally, after years and years of trying, I finally opened the door. Wow, that was lagtastic. Yay! This door. The, I can't. Why? Ugh, whatever. Why are you doing this to me? I'll just wait for a customer to, just walk through the thing, I guess. Oh, it's actually turning dark. Thank heavens. Can I go to sleep? Maybe going to sleep will fix this. Just probably, cause I can't open my freaking door. Doors. Why? No, you like me. Ugh, whatever. Let me sleep. Ugh, whatever. Might as well. I don't know what am I gonna do? I'm gonna. Oh dear. I'm totally making this look pretty. It's lies right there, but that's okay. Lying is okay when everybody knows you're lying. Ugh. I'm Ahmed. Well, I tried. It looks nice. Can I go to sleep now? Am I too tired to run yet? No, I'm not. I might as well start shutting off everything. I do wanna head outside with my lamp. Did I just destroyed a lamp, so Houston, we do have a problem. I didn't mean to, stuff it in the extreme heat. Okay, so, in the beginning of the episode, I've currently lost a lamp. That is not fun. So let me just, oops. Crystal on, where did that even, what? Mm, crystal unknown. Okay, so this is one source of lighting, so I'm actually gonna put it over here because it it's floating. Now that looks snazzy. Don't know where it came from though. Looks nice? Question mark, I guess. Can I go to sleep now? I must go to sleep. That's fairly oh dear. What am I gonna do? Maybe. How much? Uh, Anywho, man, and I thought maybe like, I should. Oh my. So, I thought maybe that today was the day I would get a new type of ore, and I checked the price, and it looks like it's too expensive for me. Oh dear. Oh my god! But where did the I'm grumpy. What am I gonna do about that? No. There's no possible. But maybe. Oh, so I destroyed one thing to gain that. Interesting. Maybe putting this. This might be my biggest regret. This might be just a waste of $10. Just place it in there. Okay, okay, it's gone. So did it do something? Since my lamp is gone, that's it. Oh, that's kind of sad. Did I get something from it? Um, like, was I wrong? People? Oh, is it? Maybe it's hiding somewhere. I honestly feel like I was incorrect about the whole light thing and just got lucky with that crystal. Maybe. So I'm not gonna be tired anytime soon. Please! Good lordy lord. And leg. Controls. Jump, rotate object, I don't want, roll, throw, interact, blah blah blah. What? What? Um, I'm just gonna walk out now. Huh. I was gonna take customers. Apparently, I'm automatically closed. I'm not sure what's going on in all honesty. Maybe. Oh! Lag to the max. Hi? Am I supposed to become you or what? What are you looking at? I'm not sure. Oh, but there's a house there. Oh, that looks very familiar. I'm trying to keep my loud and projected. There's a. Oh, I feel terrible now. Wait, can I hold it? Is this? Come on, come on, game. Oh, I'm not doing anything, sir. I'm just looking through your amazing items. Oh, what wonderful scrolls. I sadly cannot, I gratefully cannot steal. Oh, that's a gun. Wow, astonishing. What? Um, hmm. Curiosity. And then I come back in. You. Oh, so. Okay. Hmm. See. Okay, so that's interesting. I could steal from you. Not really. The second I get out. That sucks. Life sucks. Okay, that's okay. Moving on. I have now a pole arm and a one-hand grip. Common grip. Here, leave me alone. Anyway, wow, this has been a really boring episode. I don't know. I don't know what to say to that. But I just don't understand. Um, oh, this looks a lot better. I can see why it's expensive. Oh, and I have to go all the way back for that pole arm too. Oh, man, I really wasted my money on that one. I thought I could steal from him. That would have been so much cooler. No, no offense. Cruel world. Hi. Oh, are you gonna go to my shop? Oh, what I do need actually is a pickaxe. This was a mistake, but I have bought it and I cannot refrain from buying it. Wait, but what? Uh, no, wait, but why are you spawning towards the other way? But this is my place. Maybe because it's closed, but I don't understand why. Anyway, I just know my life sucks and I've made grandest mistake of my life, and that's really all that's cough cough important. Um, uh, what? Oh, uh, can I'm surprised I'm not tired. Maybe this is why. No, it's not. Um, how am I gonna do this? Why can't you open? This is really annoying and I really dislike this. I might have to end the video now. I don't know if, let me see. How about if I try to, exit game? Yeah, right now you might be seeing a little black. Apologize, but I promise to keep my raw footage in check, blah blah blah. Ta-da! And once again. Oh shit, where's my volume? Houston, we have a problem. Where's my volume? Let me see here. Yeah, it still hasn't stopped recording. So you probably saw black for a little while. I apologize, but it seemed to have disappeared. And, yeah, I mean, that's not fun. Anyway, so thank you. This actually works now. Okay, so probably all the mechanics once again work, and the book is there. I feel like this book is going to haunt me for the rest of my life. Oh yes, and I didn't buy anything. Oh heaven. Oh, I still, lost all my ingots to the cruel world. Hmm. Sorry for that quiet moment right there. There was a little situation I had to take care of. It's called a playing YouTube video that needed to shut up. I'm not sure if you heard it or not, and I'm sorry for saying that S word. Probably all you guys are like, seriously, that's not even a bad word. But YouTube might think otherwise. So I apologize for that one. And what else? What else? Okay, let's just continue as if nothing ever happened and that glitch never came to be. At least I didn't panic as much as when I like didn't know how to use the pickaxe. Actually, someone commented on that and they thought it was really funny. And what? I could have a house. Oh, wait. Can I? Is this mine? Can it be mine? Oh, and it's empty. Maybe it can be mine. I want it to be mine. Oh, and it has a porch and it has an upstairs. Okay, um, this is a little bit difficult to get up. Oh, it's amazing. Okay, how much does it cost? Yeah, a little bit angered. No, no, no. I don't know how much it costs. How am I supposed to know? I want it. I want it to be mine. Is it my house? Maybe this could help me. Hello, is this my house? Open house. But I'm not sure if it's like, can it be mine? Or like, is it mine already? It's probably not mine already. No, wait, but it has a direct path to the blacksmith. Like, it has its own direct path. Oh, well, it has a path that way too. So that doesn't really make any difference. So let's head this way. Oh, I have customers to deal with. But I want to adventure. But customers, but adventure. I think I'm going for adventure. I can't turn that off. Um, parts shop. Yeah, I regret buying anything from that. Let me check this real quick. Huh. Let me see. I don't know. I don't feel like going through here. Maybe some dangers await me. Like, you don't know. What I'm curious about is what that's for. So I might search it up on a. Ooh! Look at that! What do I see here? It's a ladder! Do you think I could. Obviously, I could probably get up. No? Oh, wow. I actually can't. Oh, there's a pull grip on, like, right there. I can't get up the ladder. Hmm. No, that's mean. Close this. This is, like, caution super hot. So, not good. But I'm not sure what I do. Is it like a way just to move around? I'm not sure if I could drive that on my own. I'll check it out later, maybe this episode. A copper hand axe. Okay, one hand copper axe. So I need this, and I need this, and I need to heat it up. Let me just get that one grip thing. Question mark, what? And put it over here. Excuse me, ma'am. Please wait on a few seconds while that heats up, and now it's heated. Um, Let me just. Okay, so now I will make an axe, because that's what you wanted, I hope. Because if it's not, then I'm done for. Oops. Let me just, Is there like. No, that's the only design. That's kind of sucks. I want it to be like different designs, like the swords and the daggers and stuff. I think that would be really cool. So, here's what you need, ma'am. Have a lovely day. How much money did that give me? I honestly don't know. Why is this here? Well, that's no longer my problem. How much money do I have exactly? Oh, 137. I could get I need an ingot. The two ingots I need, go back, and I could do the one hand grip I need. Place order. Okay, that's pretty interesting. I like how that is, going. Oh dear me. There you go. Okay, so, we no longer have mishaps now. Yay! Hopefully. Oh, another customer so quickly. I need a one-hand copper sword. That should be fairly simple. Let me just grab this and grab this and then heat it up. So as heating up, you want a one hand, am I correct? Let me get the one hand guard and the one hand grip. which I just stuff it in, and now it becomes 1. So let me just put that and that in as I create our sword. Yeah, it's gonna be our sword. I'm gonna design it to represent all my subscribers and all that jazz. Is there another one? Yes, this one. This one's gonna represent us. This sword. I missed. This sword will now represent us. Yeah, this time I made it. I didn't miss again. Ha! And you. I regret giving this to you. I mean, and you will now be graced as one of us, the little nightmares. Thank you for. Oh, I leveled up! Thank you for subscribing if you did subscribe. And, yeah, yay! Moving on. Increase overall stats on each part. This one I might do because it, might raise, I don't know. Agility increases movement speed. Decreases hits on anvil. I don't mind I don't need that currently, but I do need more charisma. I need a lot of money for this to work out. So I'm just going to get a little bit more charisma, and that should be about it. Oh, and I already have another customer coming in. They're just coming in like the Changa line. Yeah. Am I going to have a line now, actually? I'm scared. Here to pick up that copper pickaxe. Oh, yeah. Remember that, last episode where I kind of panicked because I was like, oh, no, I don't know how to make a copper pickaxe. And now I know. And I'm running alone stuff. Let me just go back and I get my ingots and place order. Da 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 and da. Please don't cool. Let me just place you in the anvil and da da da. Let me do the axes. Do 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 do. Now we got a pickaxe. Copper pickaxe to be exact. Ha! I need a heck of a lot of charisma in him if I'm ever gonna get to the goal I need. What? Is it a copper pickaxe, right? It's with the two-hand grip? Probably. I need a one-hand and a two-hand grip. Also, a guard. So, let me go back here. Grips. I need one hand and a two-hand grip with the one guard. And then I need a place order. Place order. Oh, dear. I didn't mean to do that. So, let me grab that, put it there. When is my next customer coming? My next customer should be here in any second now, because apparently they're all Sonic all of a sudden, and they just come out of nowhere while I'm doing my stuff. Actually, I'm just gonna do one more customer and end the video. I hope this is enough time and not like 5 minutes. It's probably not 5 minutes. I mean, that whole glitch thing was like 10. Okay, so, pink-haired child, you are my last one. One copper hand axe, please. One hand copper axe. Same shit. Shadoodles. That's what I said. Not that S word. I said shadoodles. And then, let me just order a little bit of ingots. And let's place order. This is a pretty decent amount. And let me just grab over here. Boom. And that's currently not important. Sorry. Oh dear. What you want is a one-hand axe, if I remember correctly. Together we can show the world what we can do. You're next to me and I'm next to you. Push me into till the battle's won. Do 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 do. Thank you, and I should close my shop. Sorry, it's closed. Let me just put away all this. because I was actually running low, and that's not good. I need to keep up my demand, my profit and demand. There. So let me just close, turn off everything, and head to my bedroom where I have to say this. Thank you for watching my oof. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. I appreciate that you're watching this, and Little Nightmare out.